Hey guys, Richard Constable here. Today we're going to be learning about bar chords. So part one, what I want you to do is push your finger down on each of the frets, going all the way across the first fret. And straight away you'll feel the muscles in your hand and in your finger working as you try to do your first bar chord. So go all the way down. So try and push down on each part of your finger. Really squish your thumb and your index finger together. And you know if the sound is a little bit muffled, it just means you have to squeeze a bit harder. If your hands start to ache, just give them a little shake out. Go all the way up. And then come all the way back down as well. So say like an F chord comes up in a song that you really love. You can play all the chords, but you can't play the F chord. Here's a way you can break it up so that you can use it in any song. So let's start with the top two notes of the chord. That's the first fret across the first two strings. Recommend trying to use your index finger to flatten across. Maybe start just by flattening across those two strings. And what you'll notice is those two notes are in Smells Like Teen Spirit. Load up on guns, etc. So the next finger you could add to those two notes is your middle finger. So once you've gotten used to placing your finger down on those first two notes, first fret of the first and second strings, this is going to be quite tricky to start with, but to try and arch your middle finger over onto the second fret of the third string, and you get the top three notes of your F major chord. If you're struggling a little bit, just try it with these two. But really focus on this first exercise, and then put your second finger onto the third string. So I recommend taking your hands completely off the guitar and practice placing your fingers down, because the best way to practice it is to come away and have to replace it every time. Just like that. Take it off, slowly work your way through it, and have a go at that. So here's another part of the F chord, and that's the second, third and fourth strings. That's another way you can play the F chord. And if you add in the open first string, it makes an F major 7 chord. It sounds really airy, really light. But you can actually use this as your F in a lot of different songs. This is a lot easier than flattening your finger. But I recommend working on flattening your finger so it just builds up the muscles in your hand, so eventually you can start strumming some full bar chords. But here's a little middle of the road, F major 7. Sounds really nice and can be used in all songs. So the fifth part is using your fifth, fourth and third strings. And all you have to do is get your E chord and shift it up one fret. E major chord. And that's another little way you can play your F. I recommend using your second, third and fourth fingers so it frees up your first finger. Just start with this E major shape, and then if you can, try and put your index finger on the first fret of the second string. Again, this is a little bit tricky, but it will help build the muscles in your hands. If you play that open E string, makes the F major 7. jazzy, nice. That's been your introduction to the F bar chords. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out our website richcguitar.com and look at all the other videos that we've got in this series. Okay, look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, bye.